Came in.
What you got going on?
Just got my Keep Truckin ELD plus dash cam. Make sure nobody hit and run on the kid, because that happened before. Hit and ran. Messed up the little step to the Freightliner. Quick hit and run. People will hit and run. If you don't have no dash cam, you don't have no proof. Gotta have your dash cam. So now I get a dash cam straight from Keep Truckin. Because with Keep Truckin, everything is systematic, you know what I mean? It does your ELD, they do your dash cam, the whole nine. What is this? Check this out. Oh, this is the dash cam right here. This is the actual dash cam. Okay, so that plugs into USB. Dash cam, Keep Truckin. Got that. This right here is gotta be the ELD there. Check this out. Yep. Oh, ELD. ELD, Keep Truckin. Just came in. That's another thing, man. About to drop y'all another little gem that you need to know. Whenever you about to get your truck and you know that you about to start this game and do CDL Hot Shot, go ahead and call Keep Truckin and order your ELD, because they're back ordered right now. And if you wait till you actually get your truck, you might have to wait like 3 weeks to get it. So as soon as I knew Norman was gonna lease on, I went on ahead and ordered it, and that's why it came the next week. I ordered it really like 3 to 4 weeks ago, but because I knew he was gonna lease on, I went on ahead and ordered it 3 weeks ago, and it's just coming in now. So you don't wanna be in a position where you got your truck and trailer and you ready to hit the road, but you ain't got your ELD. Then you gotta use paper logs. Then you get pulled in by the DOT officer and he's like, why you using paper logs? And you like, cause my ELD ain't come. And depending on which one you get, you might get put out of service. You don't know. Cause you have to use ELD if you in, I forget what the year is, like a 2001 truck or newer, which basically everybody now, you gotta use ELD. So make sure you order it weeks before. As long as you know you about to do this, right? You got your truck, or you about to get your truck, everything is lined up, order your ELD. Do it early. Keep Truckin. Let's go with that one. That's the best one. Do that early. So this one just came, and I get the dash cam too. It could save you. It could save you in the accident. It could save you in a lawsuit. Make sure you have the dash cam. It might not always work to your advantage, you know, to have it. So, but not having it is gonna hurt you.